When I was in my late teens, I really struggled, and I didn't understand why. But what I was struggling with was the fact that I didn't feel a place for myself, and I didn't feel welcome in a lot of spaces. I'm Black and I'm Jewish, and I grew up in a part of the country and there was no diversity. I had only met a couple attorneys in my 20s, and they were older and Caucasian and mostly men.
When I was a young law student, I certainly did have guidance from certain professors and a judge that I did an internship with during my second year of law school. But there were no really visible LGBT models except for one professor. When I got out of law school, if you would have told me that I would be a judge, and no less a judge sitting on New York's highest court, I would have laughed because I didn't really believe then that that was a viable career path for an openly LGBT person. When I first ran for civil court judge back in 1996, it was LeGaL who came forward to volunteer with petitioning, with fundraising, with standing on street corners with me.
I moved to New York about a year ago, and I didn't know anyone in the legal field, and I reached out to LeGaL and asked how I could get involved. And that's how I became an intern. And LeGaL has really become my social network, my friend group, and my professional network in New York.
I'm here because I've been supported by so many LGBTQ judges and attorneys. So it's really important to have attorneys from every background, gay, lesbian, bi, trans, of different racial backgrounds. We are going to be supporting the next generation of LGBT lawyers, and I think that they will all be in the position to lead and hopefully give back to other members of the community and to future generations of LeGaL mentees.
LeGaL does this with a staff of 3 people. Our legal department is one person who runs the clinic, who supervises a whole host of volunteers, and I would love for us to be able to expand our legal department and bring more attorneys on board and have an even greater impact in legislation, in litigation, in helping LGBTQ New Yorkers in their everyday lives.
It's really helpful to the future generations to see themselves mirrored back.
The advocacy that LeGaL has done over the years to stress the importance of diversity in the judiciary should not be understated. So I'm forever grateful, because without the support of my LeGaL friends, I would have no judicial career.
LeGaL is really at the forefront of so many important issues that are facing the LGBTQ community.
My advice always is pursue what makes you, alive, on fire, and that you can do with passion, because that passion then translates.